Hi, I'm Guy, and I've been teaching a sermon about having a duplicate workstations, and part of that environment is having a cross-platform backup solution. That is a software that will work in Linux or in Windows or Mac. And the one to get, I've got a link in the Google document. It's titled Understanding the Ultimate Cross-Platform Backup Solution, and that's Duplicati. It's cross-platform, works on all the different ones. It does incremental backups, and it'll store it multiple places like USB drives or even in the cloud. If you have space in the Google Cloud and having duplicate workstations, that would be a good idea. Then that's what you want to explore, okay? And I just noticed they've got a little bit of misalignment on the Windows recorder for ScreenPal. Thank you, Ileane Smith, telling me years ago about Screencast-O-Matic. Now it's called ScreenPal. And that's what I record each episode with. But I need to realign that. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcookreport.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.